Alright, so we're here the night before Mischief Night, which is 2 nights before Halloween. And there's this kid that is a big pain in the ass. And he goes around the neighborhood ding-dong ditching people, and he tries to prank people. So we decided we're gonna pull a little tiny prank
on him
that we're not even sure if it's legal, but it's alright. You didn't hear that from us.
Alright, what can you do with this?
Yeah. So what we're doing is we're using this tiny tool that I'm not giving out the name of. And we're hooking it up to the doorbell. And it's pretty much gonna be like a big explosion, and it's gonna scare the crap out of him, hopefully.
Hopefully.
So we set it up now, see if it works out. And we're gonna
making sure that our mom doesn't ring the bell.
And we're gonna try to make sure that he craps his pants. So
I hope so.
Enjoy. Alright, so this is the doorbell. Looks like a regular doorbell, doesn't it? You can't see anything, you can't tell anything. Doesn't look dangerous or anything like that. When you come and look at the side of it and you notice that
there's a light in the middle.
It's a doorbell on top of a doorbell. That's because it's a decoy doorbell. But if you look at it from this way, you can't tell. And there goes the wire. Straight down, underneath the carpet, straight down, and it goes right over here. Inside our little trap here. That you don't know what it is, but that's okay.
Yeah, you don't need to know.
And it's hooked up to that battery right there. And pretty much it's gonna blow up and go straight up in the air and create a big bang. Get away from the doorbell. And we're gonna set this up right in this corner over here.
Oh, almost fell.
And pretty much get a pretty much perfect view if we get that leaf out of the way. Can you watch Minnie and make sure she doesn't...
Don't push the door though.
And this way we'll catch him doing it.
Don't push the door though. What's it do?
Ding dong.
Alright, so let's see.
Wait, not yet, not yet. Now.
Oh, run. Run!
Shit!
Yo, that was so loud. I think I heard it right from inside when I was going down. I heard like a bucket or something.